Object Permanence. Hi, this is Dr. Payal Shivani, an early childhood educator. What is object permanence? Object permanence is the understanding that objects continue to exist even when they are not being seen, heard, or otherwise sensed. This is a fundamental concept studied in the field of development psychology, the subfield of psychology that addresses the development of young children's social and mental capacities. During early infancy, babies are extremely egocentric. They have no concept that the world exists separate from their point of view and experience. To understand that object continues to exist even when they are unseen, infant must first develop a mental representation of an object. Motive. Understanding the concept of object permanence is a major development milestone for your baby because it will help him to understand the world and know that what to expect next. This means that your baby will learn not to be frightened when he gives something up like a toy because he can get it back. What age does this skill develop? Suggested that this skill doesn't develop until the baby is about 8 months old, but it is now generally agreed that the babies begin to understand object permanence earlier, somewhere between 4 to 7 months. Object permanence is knowing that an object still exists even if it is hidden. It requires ability to form a mental representation, that is schema, of the object. For example, if you place a toy under a blanket, the child who has achieved object permanence knows it is there and can actively seek it. Object permanence means a child understands that the things and people still exist even when they cannot be seen or heard. How to teach a child object permanence? Object permanence is considered to be one of the earliest methods for evaluating working memory. An infant that has started to develop object permanence might reach for the toy or try to grab the blanket of the toy. Infants that have not yet developed this might appear confused. Peekaboo. Peekaboo is a game that helps to develop object permanence, which is a part of early learning. Object permanence is an understanding that objects and events continue to exist. Activity to teach object permanence. Sit with your infant and place a rattle on the floor in front of you. Playfully hide the rattle under the blanket, and after a few seconds, lift the blanket up to reveal the rattle beneath it. You can also shake the rattle while under the blanket for your child to find it. Children understand the world through their motor abilities such as touch, vision, taste, and movement. There are many activities you can design at home. The illustration and examples try to explain you in a form of pictures. Thank you.